guys, today we're going to play with microbes. So we've got this really cool activity that's called Shrinky Dinks, and it actually is super important for UTRAC because it turns out microbes are everywhere. In fact, 90% of the cells that you're looking at in my body are not human, they're microbial. So what we're presenting you guys with today is there is this nice handout. It's called Shrinky Dink Microbes, and what we provide for you is step-by-step instructions for how to make a Shrinky Dink. The first thing to notice though is that these are actual real images of real microbes, okay? And so that becomes important only to give you guys a sense for the variations in forms of these microbes. And of course for UTRAC, what's super important is what the microbes do, not what they look like. But we think you'll have fun with this. So a couple rules with the Shrinky Dink material. This is very special paper. It comes in approximately 8.5 by 11 sheets, and what you want to do, probably if you're starting out, is cut them into 6 sections like this. And what you'll notice from these 6 sections is that this paper has both a shiny side, I'm not sure if that is evident to you, shiny and non-shiny. And so as you begin to draw or sketch, if you're going to trace some of these Shrinky Dinks like this, is you want to always be writing with your colored pencils, right, onto the rough side, not the shiny side. So that's rule number 1. And just to give you an example here, these will shrink. That's why they're called Shrinky Dinks. And so if you were to trace this microbe in particular, you can see that it shrinks by about a factor of 3 on its way to the post-oven version of the Shrinky Dink. So a couple rules here. Remember, you're writing on the rough side. You want to punch, if you're going to make this into jewelry or you want to make a little pendant about with your Shrinky Dink, make sure you punch this hole first. And then the other thing that we have found is makes a lot of sense not to leave any kind of sharp edges anywhere around the Shrinky Dink, and that would be just on a piece of material like this. So for example, this would not be a very good type of Shrinky Dink shape to put in, because these will become incredibly sharp after they've gone into an oven. And then make sure that when you're baking them, that you do that under the supervision of an adult, because we don't want you getting in trouble with a toaster oven or regular oven will work. So again, what we're trying to do is coach you guys on how to make Shrinky Dinks. Now the important part for this lesson is that these are not the actual sizes of microbes. So I brought a couple of my friends with me today just to help you understand the actual sizes of microbes, and then I'll walk you through this in a second. So let me see if I can find them. Hey, look at this. I got my friends here, and so this guy's called the common cold. That's his common name, so when you get a cold, it's because of this microbe. I brought this other friend here. This guy's name is, he's actually pretty cute, E. coli. You can get really sick from E. coli. And then this guy is pretty fun. If you go out hiking, backpacking, you're rafting, and you get really, really thirsty, you want to drink that water, this dude is in that water. His name is Giardia. Okay, all these guys can make you really, really sick, and I can hope you see how cute they are. The real reason that I brought these here, and you can buy these on Amazon, is they're called giant microbes. And what I like about them is that they're exactly 1,000,000 times bigger than the actual size. So right, the problem with the Shrinky Dink exercise is that this is not actually what microbes look like. These are cartoons. This is what microbes look like, but neither one of these tell you how small they are. They're incredibly small, and just to give you a sense, this is 1,000,000 times bigger than this actual common cold. His technical name is rhinovirus, right? Sounds like a rhinoceros. This guy's name is Escherichia coli, and then this guy's name is Giardia lamblia. Again, all these microbes will make you sick, but we have a lot of examples of microbes that will make you healthy and keep you healthy. Have fun with Shrinky Dinks.